angle is total 360 degrees is mentioned here. So no need to bother about it. So here, this is the polar plot. In that, so you can see the value of angle 0 degrees. Then this side is positive, anti-clockwise direction. 10 degrees, 20, 30, 40, and so on. So total 180 degrees here. Then come to again 360 degrees, 270, then 360 degrees. In anti-clock, it is also mentioned -10, -20, and so on. So this is anti-clock, sorry, clockwise direction. Okay, angles are there already. Now we will see, we have to mention the scale for the magnitude. Here the magnitude is nothing but the radius. This includes radius because it's a polar form, polar plot. It is like angle, sorry, radius and angle. Magnitude is the radius and phase is the angle, theta. So what is the radius value? Minimum is 0. So this is the 0 point radius, 0 radius to the center. So this is 0 point. Then what is the maximum? 9.75 means 10. I think we should use this is okay. This is not sufficient, but okay, we should use. Why this much is not required, Pallavi? What are the values, magnitude values? What is the omega value we got to phase angle is equal to 180?
Omega 0.71, sir. Magnitude 0.661, sir, for 180 degree.
Okay, 0.661. No.
Yes,
so,
sir.
So here, if I keep 1, that is enough.
Okay.
So this is a circle. See, from this 0 point, this first value I'll keep it as 0.5. Okay, this is the radius, 0.5 radius, and this is radius 1 from the center. Okay, from center you can see between 0.5 how many divisions are there. This is the first one. This is, that means 0.1. Sorry, this is the first one. This is second, third, fourth, and fifth. Total 5 divisions. So this 0 to 0.5, 5 divisions are there. So this is 0.1. This is 0.2. This is 0.3. This is 0.4. Pallavi, understood this?
Sir, actually here for first circle 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
5 will be there. I mean,
2 only. Okay. Only 2 is there. That's it.
How to? Don't use that. Use a bigger circle. Take one more big circle. Actually, this circle you can take anything. First one you mark it as 0.1, then 0.2, 0.3, 0.4, 0.5.
Okay.
0. Like this you mark. Each small circle is like 0.1.
Okay.
0.7, 0.8, 0.9. This is 1.2, 1.1, 1.2, 1.3, like that. So this is the radius from the center. And don't bother about whether it is a big circle or small circle. Any value. It's your division, your wish. Guys, everybody please follow the thing. Same thing. Whatever your graph, maybe some graphs are like, some circles are highlighted. Some circle will be uniformly like same amount of color. So don't bother about it. You need to keep a scale, that's it. Starting at the center, 0. Okay. Pallavi, done scaling?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Now we will go to the plot. At first value, omega is equal to what?
For omega 0.1, magnitude is 9.75.
I think omega is equal to 0 we have taken, right?
No, sir, we didn't take.
You should take no.
Sir, if we take omega 0 infinity, it will come, no, sir.
Yeah, infinity will come. Of course, that you should mention it. At omega is equal to 0, it is infinity. Then that we can't show on the plot.
Yes.
Leave it. Then next point.
Omega 0.1 we took, sir.
Omega 0.1. Okay, what is the magnitude?
9.75.
Oh my god, that 9 point something also I can't show you here. Right, leave that point also. Next come.
Then 0.4, omega 0.4, magnitude 1.8, sir.
1.8 also I can't show here. Scale is out of my range. Okay, the next.
For 0.5, 1.26, sir.
1.2, so that I can show. So this is 1.2. This is 1.26 here. This is the radius. Then what is the angle?
Minus 150 degrees.
Minus 150 degrees. Somewhere it will come. This is 0 minus this side I should come. 150. 150 is here. Yes, this is the angle. Minus 150. Okay. And so this is the radius. This is the radius. And this is the angle. So here I put a point. Pallavi, got it?
Yes, yes, sir.
Guys, anybody did not understand, please let me know. I will explain you once again. Otherwise, you have to do the next problems on your own. Okay, Pallavi will go to next point.
Sir, for 0.57,
One
1,
second,
sir.
I'll keep it here. What is the omega? Omega value?
0.5, sir.
0.5. Okay, right.
Then for 0.57, sir, 1, omega 0.57, magnitude 1.
Magnitude 1 means this is the circle.
Yes.
Okay, what is the this one? Angle?
Angle minus 161 degrees, sir.
Minus 161 means here. Very close to 160. Okay, here. Better? Yes. So please mark it. Okay. Pallavi, what is this omega value?
0.57, sir.
0.257. Okay, done. Next. Next omega.
0.59, sir.
Okay, what is the radius?
0.943.
0.943 means here. Okay, this is the radius.
Minus 168 degrees.
Minus 168. Minus 168. This is 70, 168 means here. This right. This is omega is equal to
0.59.
0.59. That
Then for 0.6, sir.
0.6. 0.6. Okay, 0.6.
0.914.
0.914. Okay.
Minus 170 degrees.
Minus 170. Here. It's very close to this point.
Yes. Then 0.7 for omega is equal to 0.71.
Omega is equal to
0.71.
okay. What is the radius?
0.661.
0.661 here. Okay.
Minus
And
180 degrees.
minus 180 degrees here. Yes, same. Okay. And next.
1, sir. For
One.
omega 1.
Okay.
Magnitude 0.31.
0.31. This is the radius. Okay.
Angle minus 198 degrees.
Minus 198. 98 here. This is the one. This is the line. So I should keep it. This is the point. Okay.
Then for infinity, sir, next.
Okay. 0.
0.
This is the point. Okay. And now we will join these points. Okay. See, this is the point. Joining these points. With a free hand, you can do. And see, this is not the starting point. Omega is equal to 5. Before this, we have the point like omega is equal to 0. Their magnitude is infinity. So I will show this is like extension. It will start somewhere like that. Just I'll show M. Okay, Pallavi.
Okay, sir.
This is that omega is equal to infinity. This is that omega is equal to 0. It's reaching infinity. That's it. And the arrow mark, if you want to show what is the first point and what is the second point, see the graph is started at omega is equal to 0. Means it is coming from the infinity and going this towards this. And this is going to this 0. Okay, this is the arrow mark starting to ending point. Pallavi, over?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Graph is over. Done. From this, if you want to find out the gain crossover frequency, phase crossover frequency, and gain margin, phase margin, then the processor is this. I'll tell you.
Using table only you taught us, sir, that day.
That's what you can see from there itself. But some people ask to draw this graph and indicate these points. Na? That's what. In such case, if they ask to draw the plot, okay, if you draw this graph, but there, of course, you got these already values, but let us learn. Okay, Pallavi. So
Okay,
at least
sir.
it will be useful for competitive examinations and for learning. For exam point of view, okay, already but you will know it. But I'll tell you this point also from the graph how to find. If you have this graph, how to find this omega GC. Omega GC is nothing but gain crossover frequency, where the gain is equal to 1. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Where the gain is 1 here? Unit circle.
Minus 161 degrees.
Yeah. No. Where this plot is crossing unit circle.
Yes, sir.
That is the this point.
0.57.
0.57. So that omega value is the omega GC, 0.57. That's it. Then, so here I'm not telling from the table, from the graph. If I draw this graph, this plot is touching somewhere the unit circle. So at this point, what is the omega value? That is the omega GC. And omega PC?
That is minus 180 degrees.
Minus 1. It is where it is crossing minus 180 degrees. Where is
0.7.
This point. 0.7. Right. Next. You told it is not 0.7. It is 0.6 or something. See,
71, sir. 0.71.
180 degrees.
Yes, sir. 0.71. And magnitude 0.661, sir.
Oh, okay. Omega value is 0.71.
71.
Okay. 71. Then gain margin. How to calculate gain margin? The gain margin is nothing but it is the magnitude. It is 1 by mod omega GC at omega is equal to omega BC. Correct? This is the formula.
Yes, sir.
That means what? This
Magnitude at omega.
Yes, this is the omega PC value from this point to this point from 0. What is the length? That means radius. What is the magnitude from this point to this point? This is mod G of J omega is equal to how much?
0.661.
0.661. 0.661. Yes. Now we have to inverse this. That means this is equal to 1 by 0.661 is equal to how much?
1.512.
1.51. This is the gain margin. That's it. It is tally with the previous one.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Then phase margin. Phase margin, how to find? Phase margin is nothing but this is 180 degrees plus 5 GC. What is 5 GC? 5 GC is the angle at omega is equal to omega GC. See, where is omega GC? Here. This 0.57 is the omega GC. At this point, what is the phase angle? That means
161 degrees. Minus 160.
minus
161.
minus 161 degrees. Now, this is the omega GC. Therefore, phase margin is equal to 180 degrees minus 161 is equal to
19 degrees.
19 degrees. That's it. Over. Some people, if you have protractor, they will keep this protractor and find this. If you draw a line and they will find what is the angle between this. This is the 5 GC. In case if they ask to mark this 5 GC here, this is the point. Pallavi, are you able to see this value 5 GC?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Points and all we can mark. Now we got the values from the plot like this. If you have the protractor, compass, you can do it, calculate this angle. Okay, anyhow the plot is over. Any doubts in this plot?
No, sir.
Pallavi,
Sir.
external examination is offline. Right?
Yes, sir. Today we got.
Mail, then
Yes.
please, I request all of you, please practice well. And if you have any doubts, you just come back and clarify your doubts. And it is up to you when do you contact me for doubts. And it's purely up to you.